I'm getting ready to go with Kai to the certification. We're here in my hotel, and I arrived last night, and I've been up since 2 o'clock this morning. Jet lag, woohoo! Here we are in Okayama. I'm so excited. It took us 4 hours to get here by Shinkansen. It's the first workshop on a 7 workshop tour, and I'm really excited to get started and to be able to bring this back to the States and share my experience with everybody. Haite. Come on. Stay. Dorsiflexion. 吸って吐いて曲げて膝。吸って伸ばして吐いて曲げて。
じゃあ、その状態でですね、いいです、なんとなくいいですか。で、今ポイントだけ使うといてください。その方の肩がどちらが浮いてるかとか、どういう付き方をしているかということと、腰、骨盤あたりがどうついているかっていうイメージ。
Put your arms at your side. 横に手を。14度。40度。Sorry. 40度。Don't sit forward. Sit on your spine. And funnel, knit, squeeze, abdominal contraction. Seeker. Now your lower back should be touching the floor.
背中が脊柱が床についている状態になります。
骨盤底筋群締めて少し
締めて後ろから引っ張られてる。羽が引っ張られてる。お腹の上に氷が出る。
吸って吐いて。Okay, 2。吸って吸って吐いて3。吸って吸って吐いて4。Here we are at Sendai. We just arrived. I'm so excited to go to Kasinama, teach the children. Yippee! Oh my gosh, check out the car. We are packed in here. Nothing bad's ever going to happen to us, even if we hit something. We're slammed together. We're so packed in here. We're driving in the car. We're almost to Kasinama, and we saw along the roadside a bunch of cars that obviously were in the devastation from the tsunami. And we pulled over to the side to look at it. Come up, stay on your front leg. Then go back. Hi, then come up. Let's try the other side. So it's not here. It's bent, front leg bent. .30 Saturday evening. We finished! Yay! Kai-san! Woo!